Starbucks begins in 1971 along the cobblestone street of the historic Pike Place Market in Seattle, Washington. It was here where they opened the first store of Starbucks. Hello guys! We are in Starbucks. Diyan yung first, ito ang first Starbucks in the United States and in the world. Sikat na sikat ngayon, di ba? Ayan lang. Ayaw kami papasukin dahil hindi daw sila open. So, nandito nga kami sa area ng Starbucks area. Tawagin mo Starbucks area kasi dito itinayo yung first Starbucks. Alam mo naman yung Starbucks ay sikat na sikat. Doon, ang daming tao. Kaya lang ayaw kami papasukin dahil close daw sila ngayong Saturday. Thank you for watching. Bye!